Today we'll study 5 brilliant chess principles that will lift you to 1000 ELO. Without any delay, let's start our episode 9 of Chess Principles. Complete beginner to Grandmaster Masterclass. Principle number 1. Candidate moves before calculation. Most 900 players see one move and instantly calculate only that line. Stronger players first generate 2 or 3 candidate moves, then compare them. The simple technique to find candidate moves before calculation is to follow these steps. Use the CCT method. Look for silent move or positional move. Pick candidate moves and you can calculate. Now let's move to this position on the board. This game was played between Grandmaster Daniel Dubov and Grandmaster Nihal Sarin. Daniel Dubov is playing with white pieces and Nihal Sarin played his last move knight to d5, which is a huge blunder, and white is completely winning now. If you found the winning move, comment down the move, and if not, then pause the video to think. Okay, I hope you found the solution, as the winning move is brilliant queen sacrifice queen to h5, and it is a forced checkmate now. If black takes the queen, then bishop takes h7 is the checkmate, and if black plays knight to f6, then we play bishop takes knight. And if black again tries to take the queen, then still the same idea, bishop takes h7 is the checkmate. And if after knight to f6 and bishop takes f6, black plays bishop takes f6, then queen takes h7 is the checkmate. If this calculation impressed you, hit the like button, we are only getting started. Principle number 2. Evaluate the position before making a plan. Mainly, there are 5 factors that affects the evaluation of the position. Number 1. King safety. Both sides have safe kings, but black may have some trouble in future, because white has double rook on d file. Number 2. Piece activity and coordination. White has better piece activity than black. If we trade bishops, white will have active rooks and black will have passive rooks. Number 3. Material balance. Both sides have equal materials. Number 4. Pawn structure. Black will have doubled pawn after bishop trade. Number 5. Control of space. White has got a good control of space as compared to black. Now, with this evaluation, we can clearly say that white is slightly better in this position. And let me show you how in simple way. White plays bishop takes bishop, and black plays takes g6, and now white plays rook d7, and white has got a positional advantage while black rooks are still undeveloped. So even with this little advantage, white has higher chances to win the endgame with this level of piece activity. So we learned how to evaluate position. Now let's learn how to punish opponent moves. Principle number 3. Punish passive moves immediately. At 900 level, many players make slow moves that improve nothing. When your opponent wastes time, you must react with energy. In this position, black played a passive move queen to d6. There is a simple way to spot a move to punish passive moves. Follow these steps. Number 1. First check, is it blunder or brilliant? Number 2. Use the CCT method. Number 3. Look for any tactical opportunities. So how to play in this position? With the steps we followed, we found several good moves. But the best move seems to be bishop to c5, which is a threat as well as pin. So both steps 2 and 3 supports this move. It seems like we just win the queen, but it's not that easy. Black has a counter tactic, bishop to b6. That pins our bishop and now our bishop can't move. So what, is it equal? No, it is not equal. In fact, white has even crazier move, queen to f4 check, attacking both queen and king. Black queen can't take our queen because it is pinned to its king. So black has nothing to do, and plays a move like king to e8, and we play queen takes queen. This was an amazing example of beauty of chess. You definitely enjoyed this, right? If yes, hit that subscribe button right now or you might forget it later. Principle number 4. Convert winning position calmly. There is a basic technique to convert winning position to win in chess. Here are 3 golden steps to do so. Number 1. Simplify the position. Number 2. Convert into own endgame. Number 3. Win the endgame. In this position, we are up by a bishop, which is already a huge advantage for those who knows this conversion technique really well. So let's follow the golden steps. Now first step is to simplify the position, which means try to trade pieces and not to trade pawns. We start with bishop takes bishop, attacking the queen, and black plays queen takes bishop. Now we play rook takes rook and black also takes our rook. Here we have queen to d8 move, winning even faster, but since it is an example position, we are skipping that move and playing normal chess. We take the second rook too and black king takes our rook. And we play queen to e3 check, hitting both queen and king. So black plays queen takes queen and we play f takes e3. And look at this position now, so simple and winning. There is no future complexity too. You should easily win this position with equal pawns and extra bishop. Let's move to our final principle now. Principle number 5. How 1000 plus players actually think. I am dividing this principle into 4 parts on which you should study the most. Number 1. In-games. Study basic in-game checkmates including 2 bishop checkmate. Study basic pawn in-games including pawn breaks, opposition. Study advanced pawn in-games including pawn races, under promotion. Study basic rook and pawn in games such as Lucina position, feeder position, frontal defense. Number 2. Openings. Pick 1 or 2 openings from each side. Create an opening repertoire. Include main line, side lines and traps in your preparation. Use traps in bullet and bridge. Side lines or main line in lapid and main line in classical. Number 3. Tactics. Study basic tactics like fork, pins, skewers, decoy, deflection, X-ray, discover check, discover attack, intermediate moves, etc. Number 4. Middle game. Middle game is where you are stuck wondering what's next. And if you master middle game, you will reach 2000 ELO quicker from 1000. Comparatively to that time you took to reach 1000 ELO. You can click the video on your screen about middle game strategies that tells you exactly how to deal with middle game in chess.